in Smartburn here, we're going to be looking at how we can create zip folder right on our computer. Yes, very important, right on our computer right here. If you notice all of these files right here, we want to send all of them or email all of them one time. First thing we want to do is to create a zip folder. That's very important. How are we going to do that? Right, we want to put the cursor right here. We're going to right click. We're going to come down to the word new, right, and this itself is folder. So you're going to give the folder name, like I might say classwork, and then I press enter. What I wanted to do is to put all of these in the folder. So I'm going to put the cursor right here, while on the left side of the mouse, I touchpad and block everything. So I'm just going to put the cursor on one and I put it right here in the folder. Right, so I'm going to put the folder right here. So how do we create the zip? We're going to right click on it. You're going to come down to say send to. If you notice right here, it's a compressed zip. Right, so you're going to come like that. And if you notice right here, this self is a zip folder, right? See, definitely. So you can actually send this at once. Right, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.